Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can script in Roblox Studio. How to script in Roblox Studio. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show how I can do it. So what I'm going to show you is how you can get to the scripting place in Roblox Studio, but not how to script specific things on Roblox Studio because I'm no coder. Okay, so first of all, we're going to open Roblox Studio. Now, from Roblox Studio, you're going to go onto your own world that you want to add scripts in, but I don't have a world. I don't have a world, so I'm going to go in a classic base plate, and from there, you're going to navigate to the right over here. Okay, and you're going to supposed to have an Explorer tab. Okay, once you have the Explorer tab open, you're going to navigate down all the way until Server Script Service, and you're going to click on this little plus icon. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to click on Script. Now, once you click on Script, as you can see, this is where you can start coding, and putting different stuff, so they get different codes, so it can help you or change the game as much as you want. Or you could add leaderboards, you can do all sorts of stuff. Now, I'm no coder, but I can actually start helping you by actually opening the toolbox on the right. You can access this through Home. If you click on Toolbox over here, it's going to show you up. And there are just a bunch and once you click on here from models and you go down and you find scripts, if you do not find scripts, you can actually search for it, and you would click on, let's say, scripts, and then you would have, like, I would search for scripts, and there are these random scripts that are going, not random, these scripts that can be added to your script page, and you can start using it. Okay, so as you can see, blood on damage. Once I click both on in, as you can see, blood on damage includes two scripts, and I could click OK, and as you can see, it has been included over here. So and yeah, these are a bunch of different scripts that can help you, but if you know how to code on Roblox Studio, this is how you can access it and you can start coding. So yeah guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.